Hey, welcome to another Fat for Weight Loss recipe video. Today I'm showing you exactly how to make instant nut-free keto bread. This bread is an absolute game changer for anyone that has an allergy to almond flour and also coconut flour. When I say nut-free, I am also including coconut in there. Coconut is technically not a nut, but most nut-free recipes also contain coconut, and most people are also allergic to coconut. So, with that in mind, I have created a really awesome, almost instant, nut-free keto bread, and you are going to love it. So let's get started. So the secret flour, and I haven't told you this yet, but the secret flour is sesame seed flour. That's right, sesame seed flour. Now those are sesame seeds, and the reason why I'm saying flour is because I need to grind them. So I'm going to use a coffee grinder and I'm going to grind them up, make them pretty coarse, probably about the coarseness of almond flour, and I'm going to put it into a large glass bowl so it doesn't go all over the bench. But sneaky surprise, it's going to go on the bench anyway. Oh, I'm going to put it in another small ramekin. I'm going to measure out about a ramekin's worth, which is about 3/4 of a cup, and I'm going to put it into another cup. Now, there you go, spilled it on the bench. Oh. Now, the reason why I put it in a mug and I add baking soda is because we're going to put it in the microwave in a little bit, but I will show you how to do that. 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter, ooh, buttery goodness. Butter and keto bread, oh, olive oil. Oh, yeah, dairy-free, maybe. Salt, yeah, salt is good. Salt is actually really delicious in bread because it brings out the flavor, you know. Eggs, yeah, eggs on keto, well, you know, it makes the bread rise. So, you know, in combination with some baking powder, it makes for a really delicious bread, but other than that, it's an egg. And you're gonna mix that with a spoon. Why didn't you use a fork? Forks are so much easier to mix things with. Yeah, you're gonna have to get it all off the spoon like that with your fingers, and now your fingers all dirty and spoons. Yep, that's what it looks like. Doesn't it look delicious? Not. Now, I'm going to put it in the microwave. I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 90 seconds, and I'm going to put it onto a chopping board, and I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut the keto bread. Now, I'm going to slice around the outside of the keto bread just to make sure that its grippy little hands aren't sticking to the mug. Yes, that's right. The slicing will remove the hands of the keto bread from the mug. No, it's only going to release it. And when I flip it out, look at the steamy goodness. Steamy goodness? Oh, steamy goodness. Now, it's super hot. This is mega, mega hot. But doesn't it look delicious? It's round. It looks like keto bread. Maybe it's like an English muffin. Maybe English muffin style with some hollandaise sauce and a poached egg. Wouldn't that be fantastic? Yes, fantastic. Doesn't that look delicious? Yes, delicious. How easy was that? I can't believe that keto bread doesn't have any nuts in it. It is not made from almond flour or coconut flour. It is made from sesame flour. So if you haven't already tried it, please go ahead and do so right now. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that as well. Smash that like button if you so desire, and I will see you in the next video.